Mela for the World Cultural Festival 2016.
Now, we request the Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Mr. Suresh Kumar, to address the gathering.
Good evening. Can you hear me? Can you, last person, can you hear me? Okay. Namaskara. Respected Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji. Nano, almost from last half an hour, I'm here, and everybody is telling Guruji, Guruji. Nanage, he's a living God. One person is liked by whole world. I am the first person today, just I entered and he has attracted me. What a kind of leadership. I am blessed to be here. Respected Rama Madam, Mrs. Rao, Sunil Ji, and other dignitaries, and then Sma Madam, the power of the school, and Shilata Madam. And then when I say Guruji, because even if I miss some names, once you remember Guru, all will cover. Okay. Before I start my talk, wherever I go, I like to give my due respect to my Guru, my senior, our beloved ex-President of India, late Dr. Abdul Kalam sir. Whenever I speak this, I get power. He is my Guru. When I entered this ashram, what a pleasant welcome. I was just thinking, am I worth for this welcome for a moment? I was just talking to my wife, I told, the Tare Jamin Par, the diamonds are here. They are not students, they are diamonds. They have all-round capabilities. Bhagavad Gita to latest Hindi song. What a dimension to look at. So, and when I came here, I went to the VM, serene atmosphere. Everybody's face is glittering with positive energy. I am reminded of when I entered the Yuri Gagarin Space Center in Russia, the thrill, the joy I am today enjoying here with all of you. My sincere thanks to all of you. When you saw my video, few of you might have thought that I have done some great job. I personally don't think so. When an ordinary man like me can do, any one of you can do. Why anyone? All of you can do. If at all, some of you consider that, yes, Mr. Kumar, you have done something. 90% of the credit should go to my parents, my teachers. The last 10% only should come to me. You know why? When you see a tall building, Petronas, CN Towers, Burj Al Khalifa, glittering with neons, what a wonderful building, everybody is telling. But underneath, there is a strong foundation, holding all the load, not even visible. I'm doing job, I don't want to come. That is the kind of dedication our parents and teachers are doing. That is the reason in Puranas rightly said, Acharya Deva Bhava, Matru Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva Bhava. They are equal to God. That too under able guidance of Guruji, the living God, art of living God, is directing you people. Amazing. I would like to become a student in this school if an opportunity is given in my next life. Friends, why I am telling, I am so much concerned about these parents, the parents community. I am extremely happy to be here in this evening. I lost my father. I was in Canada taking up the INSAT mission. It's nation pride. I could not come back and see my father. Last year, I lost my mother also. I was about to go to my Exhaust Phase program in Russia. So when I see all of you, I remember my parents. My sincere thanks to all of you. Enjoy. Coming to the school, this particular generation, I respect them. I show my full concern. I love you people because you are the bridge between the old generation and the new generation. Keeping happy with our old generation. So many kids, poverty, orthodox, two rituals. We want to make them happy. At the same time, younger generation, starting with mobile, laptop, we have to make them happy. Such a great people you are. You need not go to temple. If you respect your parents, you respect Guru, you don't have to go to temple at all. That's what I feel. The Provident Fund, the God's money, we give it to the children. Please study well. You pledge your house, please go to do MS. That's the kind of dedication you are having. Not only that, when you go back to office, immediately you call, Tata, Matra Tavandra, Aji, Aushi Tavandra, please, Venkar. What a concern you have. At the same time, you'll call your son or daughter. I kept the apple in your tiffin bags. Have you taken? Have you completed the homework? That is the amount of dedication you have. That's why when I talk to this generation, I have a lot of respect for you people. Here, I just wanted to give a suggestion. I know that yours is a very professional organization, institution. You have a moral and academic. Wonderful. But still, I feel a little knowledge what I have, I want to share with you people. Normally, whenever I go to any institution, we see PTA, Parent Teachers Association. I just want to add another point and make a strong triangle. Parents, teacher, and student. So this bondage is very, very important. The combination of parents, teacher, and student to make Tare Jamin Par, what we saw right now, about few minutes back. Any parent, for example, they like to make them doctor, engineers, scientists, IPS officer. Definitely, anybody. If you see younger, older generation, they used to have a lot of kids, 8, 7, and this talent used to distribute among the children. One fellow is good at sports, one fellow is good at academics, one person is helping mother, but we have one or maximum 2 kids, and we are concentrating to get all those in one kid. We want you to be a good sports person, you should get a good 99 marks. These are kind of pressure we are putting on a child. So now, coming to the teacher, what a noble profession you are having, because you can find out the hidden talent of the child in just few minutes. An experienced teachers, what you have here, I'm sure, they need few minutes to find out the hidden talent of the child. Like, you know, in my mom used to just touch one rice and say that, no, it's cooking is ready, you can eat for the food. That's the kind of experience they have. Now, the combination of the parents and the teacher is definitely, we are going to build a very strong citizen of India, scientist, or a doctor, or an IPS officer. Why I am telling you? By doing this, you are going to give a very gift to the society. And if you see all the articles I read nowadays, 82% of the graduates they are coming out are engineers. 1.5 million engineers are coming out every day. Every day. So, we have to concentrate, and I request all the parents and particularly teachers, kindly inculcate the scientific temperament in the kids. We want more scientists. Please, my humble request, because when a kid start understanding science, it enjoys, and then when it start understanding how his sky is blue, why it is happening, the curiosity comes, and then they start going to become a very good a scientist. So I request all of you to kindly make your students as a good scientist India needs, and then let's all work together and make a very strong India, and then we'll give a very good gift to the society. Thank you very much. And I do come back once again to our institution, and I want to share my experience with the real students, and kids are waiting, and I should not take more time. And please go ahead with the programs, and thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. I'm sure our students will consider you as their source of inspiration. We feel privileged to be addressed by a great scientist such as you, who has touched the sky in glory. Please give him a big round of applause. He truly deserves it. Next. Excellence is the gradual result of always striving better. Last year, our students of 10th standard strived to achieve excellent results. 25 students were there in the class 10, out of which 2 students secured 10 on 10 CGPA, that is cumulative grade point average. Altogether, we secured 21 distinctions. Akshara Rao and Bajgovind Raj are the achievers of 10 on 10 CGPA. Akshara Rao is right now continuing her further studies in Hong Kong, so she is not there with us. I call upon Bajgovind Raj to come on the stage along with his parents to receive this award from the chief guest of the day. I request Mr. Suresh Kumar to honor our student. Bajgovind Raj, please come on the dais with your parents. Parents, a request, please be more encouraging. Thank you, sir, for honoring our student. Now, we request the guest of honor, Sri Sunit Kaluskarji, the administrator at the International Art of Living Center, Bangalore, to address the gathering.